Well, using my good old handy double-sided sticky tape, and I've put my ESC and receiver right there. Oh no, I won't. Oh darn. Okay. My receiver, I'm going to have to mount on the side over here. Remember, you got to make sure these things don't hit things. The receiver's going on the side over here. That way the wing can still fit in. I can get the aileron plugged in. The battery connector is still accessible. My aileron's in the top there. So when I hook my wing in, we should be ready to go. Now, I use double sticky tape. This stuff here, the wing's going to go here. Now, like I said before, if we only had the single servo in here, we'd have a lot more problem, and we'd have to worry about where we run the wires, because the linkage for the elevator would interfere. And here's another thing I can't emphasize, is to get your antenna outside the plane as soon as possible, right? And to the bottom. Whatever you do, never ever ever put your antenna inside your airplane. For some reason I did that once. You lose control real quick when you run the antenna inside the airplane. Now you remember too, this tape I'm putting on, these parts will stay white when I paint. So if you want your parts to be still painted, or painted underneath the tape, make sure you take the tape and the wire off before you paint. But there, the wire's installed nice, hangs down a little bit at the back, goes along the bottom. I use a piece of tape inside here just to hold all my wires and stuff down, to hold it nice and neat and tidy. Now we can still reverse or change the ESC in case our motor runs backwards. It's easy to change one of those wires there. And that, I'm getting really close to fly here. That's it. We'll do a final test here. Let's see. Make sure all the control surfaces work, the motor turns the right way, and then it'll be a painting video, I guess. Well, here we go. I'm going to take the wing. I'm going to hook up the aileron servos. The wire's tucked down. The wing fits in. Okay. There we go. Now on it. We have the Formosa belt. Now let's do a radio check. Haha. I got my trusty Futaba radio here. See? The good old trusty Futaba Skyport. I sure like that radio. Okay. Now I got the radio on. My throttle off. Okay, everything looks like it still stayed centered. Let's see, the rudder. Oh yeah, look at those ailerons. Elevator. Oh, my motor's backwards. Motor's backwards. So I'll have to take the wing off and change 2 wires around. So it says pause for a second and we'll be right back after I do that. So now to change the polarity on the motor, the direction, I'm going to take 2 of the plugs and we'll reverse 2 of them. That should fix it and have the motor spin the right way. Okay, I reverse the wires, ready to turn it on. Look at this, that going again. Now, we have the left and right ailerons. Putting them just to fit, that's what perfect. Might have to work on the throw on the elevator, but that may be enough. A rudder. And now, I have my motor going the right way. Whoa. Whoa. Yep, that's going to have lots of thrust. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's see here. This isn't a charged battery, but I have to get a charged battery on it. I think that'll be just right.